Hi everyone. Today we're going to study proof by structural induction. A proof by structural induction consists of two parts. These parts are, number one is the basis step. In here, let us show that the result holds for all elements specified in the basis step of the recursive definition to be in the set. Second step is the recursive step. It shows that if the statement is true for each of the elements used to construct new elements in the recursive step of the definition, the result holds also for these new elements. The validity of structural induction follows from the principle of mathematical induction for the non-negative integers. To see this, let P of n state that the claim is true for all elements of the set that are generated by n or fewer applications of the rules in the recursive step of a recursive definition. We will have established that the principle of mathematical induction implies the principle of structural induction if we can show that P of n is true whenever n is a positive integer. In the basis step of a proof by structural induction, we show that P of 0 is true. That is, we show that the result is true of all elements specified to be in the set in the basis step of the definition. A consequence of the recursive step is that if we assume P of k is true, it follows that P of k plus 1 is true. When we have completed a proof using structural induction, we have shown that P of 0 is true and that P of k implies P of k plus 1. By mathematical induction, it follows that P of n is true for all non-negative integers n. This also shows that the result is true for all elements generated by the recursive definition and shows that structural induction is a valid proof technique.